Well, you got some really clear answers on that one.
Yeah, it's going away. I found colder here like that. 30 milligrams down there.
Might have said, stay here so I can get out of here.
It's gone.
It's upstairs. It's above us.
Can you say one of her names?
Troll.
I thought I heard Tom. Did you say Tom?
I heard troll. I heard troll.
Can you say one of her names? Tom?
Experiment with.
Have you guys heard the one Jeff does yet? That mini box?
Did you see that?
It looks like a little cat.
Did you see that?
Yes. Just looks like a cat.
It was something. It was something white. It was.
It was like a little light flashing.
It was. It
Like a little-
darted from left to
Where?
right.
Yeah.
Where?
Right there.
Here, over
Okay.
here. There's the ghost box. Is it upstairs? I think the ghost box is in there, so it's Do you see anything? Do you see a rat? Do you see anything?
I don't see anything.
I don't wish I brought my damn thermal camera. I just didn't want to bring it out in the rain. Shit. You can pick up a heat signature quick.
What the heck?
See, you got it tonight.
From right. Why the heck do you guys keep? Ooh. Hit somebody else already. Damn, that one stopped me dead in my tracks. Yeah, he hit me right in the arm. The whole camera shook. Like pulled, pulled, and I was holding it with both hands. I didn't see anything down there, so I'm surprised you guys didn't hear that one. That one was pretty loud. Quit messing with me. Okay, next time I'm doing the protection prayer.
I can't believe you didn't do it in the first place.
I'm not a sensitive, and I'm the person who has to go and see what you try to document what you guys are seeing. If I get the protection prayer, I don't want to take any chances of ruining it.
Honey, you pray for protection. You pray for the angels to open your eyes and show you insight,
I got a
give
light
you
source.
insight. You pray for the protection. You invoke the angels to surround you with the circle of light, love, and energy, and allow you to see that which is not seen. Allow you to be able to see into that realm. You protect yourself and ask for permission to be granted the sight. You don't just stand idly by and plan on seeing something and not protect yourself.
Oh, okay, I see.
That's
Let me
a mistake.
see it.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, you need to back away from that water. You're going to get pushed in.
Who, me?
Yes.
Well, as of right now, I know that if I said you wouldn't dare, they'd do it in a heartbeat.
Do not provoke that thing. I'm gonna tell you,
No, I never provoke. That's why I don't like it when they do it on TV.
do not provoke that thing.
What are they recording down there?
Smile. Leave.
Yes.
Talk to me, babe. Talk to me, my darling. Oh, my darling. My darling. Oh, my darling, Clementine. Why am I saying that? Clementine. Why does that sound right?
Watch out for that.
So did you get anything interesting going on?
She had
Got all
that
kinds
go
of
off.
interesting.
On this?
Okay, to turn the light off on this, it made this light blink. This one went up to 18 and 30. With
Wait, you got hits on this?
this is well, we just did 1.2.
She said it blinked real fast.
It blinked, and then this one went out
Yeah, you better have everything.
simultaneously.
Same otherwise.
Simultaneously.
No, when you said you have everything.
This is where we were standing when we got bitch get out.
Yeah.
What all did we do?
So I got it on this setting here.
Have you got the range screwed up?
Okay.
If you ever screw anything up, let's use turn on. That'll reset it.
Now, what range is that?
Let's get it to Clementine.
It won't focus.
And they're actually getting the results good. Oh. What that means, I have no clue. Why you want that?
Huh? That's the creepy hollow light. But
Oh,
watch.
they got a new version now.
Look at the. Let's see. Look at the light. Ready? Works really good.
Well, they got a new version out now. They don't make that anymore.
Creepy how?
Yeah, it's a 4-light one.
Oh no, we have that one downstairs. It's 5. He's got a 5-light one, but this is his big one. He still makes this one.
Can you say Gary?
They won't say my name.
It is reading. What's my name? What's my name? I'm not dead.
What's your name?
I introduced myself as Trish. I didn't tell it I was Patricia.